So my niece is into blue bows, and I saw this 3-pack of storage baskets, and I thought these would be perfect for her room. She recently redid her room and everything is blue bow. So you know I was excited when I saw this 3-pack. I'm gonna use this for an upcoming party that I'm having for her, and then after the party she'll be able to take them home. It is a nice size, as you can see. So if you were using this to store things in your bathroom, you could probably fit at least about 12 rolls of toilet paper in here comfortably, just to kind of give you an idea. And you probably could fit about 6 dry-off towels in these as well. So this one is the blue bow theme. And this has a blue floral pattern. And then we have another one with blue bows. So in this particular pack, it came with 2 with blue bows, even though this one is like a little bit lighter blue than this one. And then we have the flowers. And the material, it is a nice material because you can easily wipe this material out with like a damp rag if anything were to spill or get inside the basket. Very easy to clean, and they look gorgeous on display. So if you are into the blue theme, that it seems like everyone is into this blue theme this year. I've seen a lot of TV shows. I'm like, oh my goodness, everything is blue and white. Everything is blue and white. So if you are on the blue and white train, definitely order these.